everybody, this is me Noor Zahar and you all are watching GoHash Bengaluru. 83 districts of Karnataka have been declared as flood hit. Speaking of which, R. Ashoka, the revenue minister, said that necessary measures have been taken to control the damage done by the floods and also lightning deaths that happen because of lightning. Necessary measures have been taken to alert people of the incoming wave and the lightning. Stay tuned to watch more.